Hey there, welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, I'm going to help you master the pronunciation of the letter J in English. This letter can be a bit tricky, but with some practice, you'll get the hang of it in no time. If you're a non-native speaker, don't worry. Many people find this sound challenging at first, but I'm here to guide you through it. I've got some simple tips and tricks for you that will make it much easier. First off, let's talk about how to actually say the letter J. It's all about the position of your tongue and the way you use your voice. Start by positioning your tongue. This is crucial for getting the sound just right. It should be behind your upper front teeth, but not touching them. This gives you the space needed to produce the sound. Now, slightly curl your tongue upwards. This helps in creating the correct sound. Imagine you're about to say the letter D, but then add a slight vibration at the start. This vibration is key to making the J sound, so you get ju-ju. Practice this a few times to get comfortable with it. Hear that? Great, you're doing fantastic. Now let's practice with a few words beginning with J. This will help reinforce what you've learned. Say it with me: jam, jam. Notice how the ju sound starts the word. Notice the ju sound at the beginning? Perfect. Next word, jump, jump. Feel the movement of your tongue. Feel how your tongue moves to make that ju sound. Excellent. How about another one? Jungle, jungle. This word is a bit longer, but the ju sound is still at the start. Again, you start with that ju sound. Fantastic, you're getting the hang of it. Let's try a slightly longer word. Journal, journal. You nailed it. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Keep practicing these words and soon the ju sound will come naturally to you. Repetition is key. Now let's go over a few more words for practice. Jacket, jeans, juice, January, journey. See the pattern? Each word starts with the ju sound. The ju sound is always right there at the beginning. One last tip. When you're practicing, try to exaggerate the ju sound at first. This will help you get used to the tongue and mouth movements. Focus on the vibration and the tongue movement. These are the two most important aspects of making the ju sound. As you get more comfortable, you can dial it back to a natural level. The goal is to make it sound effortless. Alright, that's it for today. Remember to keep practicing. The more you practice, the better you'll get. And don't hesitate to replay this video if you need a refresher. Sometimes, watching it again can help reinforce what you've learned. Thanks for watching, and happy learning. Catch you next time. Keep up the great work, and soon you'll be a pro at pronouncing the letter J.